Meet Carl Fall. Carl is a teacher candidate in his certification year at Red River College in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. His professor, Eva Brown, has been excited to watch Carl's journey as a teacher candidate at Red River College and grow his passion for leading and learning. Carl's involvement with his students during his practicum provided them with the opportunity to choose their learning, to take ownership of their learning, and to become and remain engaged in the learning. This was evident in the Minecraft 3D printing project that he presented to his students, and they embraced it wholeheartedly. His passion for emerging technologies was clearly demonstrated in a full-day Minecraft 3D design and printing workshop that he delivered at a recent Special Area Groups for Educators conference at Red River College to teachers from across the province of Manitoba. His examples of practice illustrated the infusion of gaming and 3D printing in disciplinary literacies such as geography and math. It is this passion that Carl continuously illustrates that provides great learning opportunities for everyone. His dedication to gaining expertise on this topic and the learning that he shared with a sold-out audience of educators was phenomenal. Carl is a lifelong learner dedicated to education, leading, and learning. The innovation and creativity that he shows will provide the learning needed for many students to acquire skills outlined in the New Horizon report to be global digital citizens. The education system needs more educators like Carl. Follow him at BizTechTeacher.